Guys, Oscar here. Today I was watching a video on YouTube from one of my favorite channels, 51 Drones. And today he was talking about how to add the ambient sound to the videos and how to provide a better experience for the viewer. So he had a great idea, and I actually took on the challenge to actually replicate what he did. And it's his idea. I'm just replicating his idea, and he actually promoted the idea for YouTubers to add this ambient sound so the viewer could have a better experience. So I went ahead and took out one of my old videos that I took actually very early this year in 2020. And I believe it was at the beginning of the pandemic when things were closed down. So I went to downtown Charlotte and I wanted to record some of the buildings to see what I could get before the lockdown. So I went ahead and found the video, and here I'm going to play the video with no sound, just how I recorded the video straight from the drone, and this is how it looks. Now, this is the same exact video, same exact length with some music, and this is how it sounds. Now, this is the same video, same length. This is how it sounds with some music and some ambient sound that I was actually experienced while I was actually flying my drone. And I tried to replicate it as close as I could. And this is what I actually remembered how it sounded back then. So this is how it sounds. So that's how I was able to give you guys kind of like the experience that I was experiencing while I was flying my drone. And this idea is actually from Russ from 51 Drones, and I actually would like to thank him for the idea, because we're gonna be able to do more and give you guys, the viewer, a better experience. I personally like to record the landscape and nature, so I'll be adding or trying to replicate what I actually experience while I'm flying the drones or whatever I'm recording on any given day. So, in conclusion, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and do not forget to check out 51 Drones. I'm going to go ahead and put a link on the description so you can go ahead and check out his video. And with Russ' permission, I will be also putting the link for this video on his channel, which he is giving us permission to do so. So once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and I greatly appreciate your time.